god, so stupid this. I don't know. I misplaced her fidgets and been so let's get and subscribe, beat thumbs up if you like and give this video to how many ever y'all like, how many ever been hot y'all let's get it. Oh shoot, man. Like there, by this pillow, like by this cover. Oh dang, that knocked it out.
Yes, yeah. Nigga, what you did? I don't know. I can't find it. I'm so serious. I love you. For real, I don't know where it is. I really don't know where it is. Nigga. I'm right here. What's up?
What's up? Tell me how you feel.
Hey, y'all, I feel bad, but I feel
No, wait till the next week. Wait till y'all, she finna give me back bad. I really thought that she was like gonna be like, you buy me another one, ain't no matter. She ran behind, I said, man, that's fine though, that's fine. Alright, bye, so make sure you click the thumbs up. Comment down below how you like it. Bye.